Hello there, welcome back to our channel at Ace Electricals. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Have you ever wondered why your blender leaks? Today I'm just gonna demonstrate a simple thing on why your blender leaks, and you're wondering why it leaks. Well, I have a simple solution for you. In most cases, the reason why a blender leaks, it's because it's either your blender has lost a seal. There's a simple seal that goes on top of this, a simple seal. You just put it there and then all your misery is sorted out. We're just gonna pour the water again and see. Problem solved. Thank you for watching. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We also educate people on how to use appliances effectively. In order for you to help us grow this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share in order for this channel to grow and reach more subscribers, in order to spread the word of gospel in educating our people on how to use appliances effectively. Thank you so much. See you on the next episode. Bye.